So every now and again I have people that ask me, AJ, why do you buy the extended deck? Well, this is why. That's 28.5 feet long, and as you can see, it's just touching the wand over there for the cutoff guide piece of it. So I've got a logger's cut here and a pretty good split going down that side, so I don't know how this is going to go. This is either going to be epic or an epic fail. So stay tuned, we'll see what happens and take it from there. Alright, so as you can see, it's touching the wand for the cut guide, and it goes the full length of the processor. Here's that chainsaw cut and split that I'm worried about. We'll see what happens. While we were pushing it through an 8-way wedge, it is recommended for a 6-way on this. That was hard maple. So went up the attached 12-foot conveyor, across the disc cleaner, to the radius axle stacking conveyor, to the firewood bags. And then what I was noticing going on, my daughter and I just did a fresh reset on the bags. That was empty. That one log just about filled this NNZ log lift bag. This is the 1624 with the extended deck, amply noted. The disc cleaner and the 25-foot radius axle stacking conveyor. If there's anything we can get you a price quote on, whether it's Bruteforce stuff or the firewood bags, give us a phone call at 833-SPLITTER. That's 833-775-4887. Or you can always email us over at sales@shaverequipment.com. I'm AJ Shaver. We'll see you next time.